Today I tried out something truly Sri Lankan, String Hopper Kottu, a twist on a classic, packed with flavor, spice, and that perfect street food vibe. Let's dive into how it's made step by step. Heat up some cooking oil in your pan. Next, add in the pre-boiled chicken breast strips. Give them a quick toss so they absorb all that buttery flavor, then set them aside for later. Now, add a little more butter to the pan, then toss in some finely chopped onions. Sauté until they turn soft and golden. Once the onions are soft, add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Stir it all together and let the aroma fill your kitchen. Now, add some grated carrot to the mix. Sauté it just enough to keep that slight crunch. It adds color and sweetness to the dish. Next, add in some chopped leeks. Stir them in gently and cook for a minute. Now crack in 2 eggs. Scramble them right in the pan with the veggies. This adds richness and brings everything together. Once the eggs are cooked, add 3 tablespoons of chili paste. Mix it well. Now add in your shredded Sri Lankan string hoppers. Toss everything together so the noodles soak up all those spicy, savory flavors. Three tablespoons soy sauce in. Mix it up. Add 1 cup chicken stock for that juicy flavor boost. Top it off with the rest of the onions and leeks, give it a good mix, and let it cook for a couple more minutes to bring all the flavors together. Finally, add in the fried chicken breast strips. Give it one last mix so everything comes together, and your flavorful Sri Lankan string hopper kottu is ready to enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments if you try this out.